The SP error, or error message, can be caused by a few different problems that we'll talk about in this video. If the error message is displayed without a device attached, check the SmartPort wiring is correct. Make sure that the SmartPort wiring is not bundled with the field wiring. The white SmartPort wire must be attached on the terminal next to the blue wire on the REM terminal, then red above ground. Another thing to check would be your handheld remote. If the error message occurs when the device is plugged into the SmartPort, the device may have the wrong station count. Check the maximum station count setting on your handheld remote.